What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we're bringing you a groovy transformation. Something that lines up perfectly with the upcoming season and, to put it bluntly, just works better with my current hair color. The hair you're seeing now is bedhead basically. I woke up, drove to the salon, and I put my faith in Rikki, my hairdresser, to fix things up. So basically what's about to happen is what I've been most excited about since getting platinum blonde hair, seeing the contrast with the roots. I think platinum hair looks great with the roots grown in, and now that we're gonna trim down the sides as well, you'll really be able to see the contrast, which is what I've been waiting for. We're doing a fade. This is a classic hairstyle, so Rikki is starting with a larger guard to hit the tops, but we'll be taking it nice and tight, but not like skin fade tight. To clean up the sides and the back, we're hitting it with a 1.5 guard and fading it upwards. Rikki knows how to keep it clean, so if you are ever in the LA area, you gotta check him out at Daniel Alfonso's Hair Salon. I've got Rikki's links and the salon info down below. Getting some scissors involved to continue that fading. This allows for a bit more of a natural finish that a razor can't quite provide, just making it flow effortlessly. Now my aim today is to go for a shorter, messy forward quiff. Therefore, we gotta remove some length, roughly about 1 inch off the top. Texture is what makes this hairstyle great. So Rikki's going through and adding a bunch of it. Honestly, if you're going for a more messy hairstyle, make sure that your barber knows how to throw in some texture because it's a huge game changer. Also, this guy, he was just not having it. Dude needs to understand that good hairstyles take time. With the hairstyle out of the way, it's time to get the styling started. We're throwing in some cloud control by BluMaan to kick things off. I've said it before, but with platinum hair, you cannot underestimate the need of healthy hair products. Cloud control is made from 100% natural essential oils and botanical extracts and is gonna help add in a little life. From there, some Ascend volume cream to get that hair skyrocketed into the sky, keeping it light and airy, yet volumized with a little bit of hold. We're focusing on drying this hairstyle pretty much completely forward before building height. Since my hair is shorter now and textured out, building height is just not going to be a problem, especially since it's been pre-styled with products that help with just that. From there, I'm pulling out the Discovery Kit and grabbing some Monarch Matte Paste. For those who don't know, the Discovery Kit is back in stock and ready to go, and gives you the chance to try out all of our styling products. You can mix and match, see what works best for you, and take it on the road. You can check that out. I've also got that linked down below.